masomo iko poa, walimu yani wanakulinda, yani wanataka yani ukiwa wakiona uko na hii talent ya kufanya hivi ama unaweza fanya hivi, they can mentor you good.
It's a very good school because compared to other school like assignments, other schools are given assignment, wamekuwa wakipewa assignment, lakini walimu wetu hapa Hemland wanaenda extra, they go for an extra mile for us as students, they go even deeper. So Hemland College is the best school to be.
Of most of all SDGs targets require practical accomplishments that are every dependent on adequate availability and application of skilled technical manpower. TVET has a crucial role to play in the provision of this manpower. In this regard, it's imperative that TVET undergoes rebranding to make it more attractive and a destination of choice for Kenyans. To this end, government has made substantial progress towards implementation of TVET reforms as per TVET Act of 213. Part of this reform has been organization of TVET Authority, TVET CDAC, the two key agencies meant to enhance quality and harmony in the sector and spearhead implementation of curriculum reform respectively.
We are committed to maintain the highest education standard. We deliver courses, programs that equip our graduates with relevant professional and technical skills that allow them to be active participants in our economy today and to achieve our Vision 2030, starting with what we call the 4 key areas our President has already made sure we are going to achieve in order to develop our economy. Since the founding of this college in 1994, the education needs in our country have changed greatly with the emphasis on technical skills, and as such, we have made improvement to our curriculum to address the changes and unchanged